Hello dear traders, welcome back again. So in this video we are going to discuss about triangle patterns for the long positions, basically buy first and sell later. That's again we called as a breakout of triangle pattern. So that's the thing we are going to discuss about it in this video, because this is one of the most important pattern of our price action methods, and that is giving a really good profit to me. So I just want to share with you so that like you can get benefit out of it. And also I already share our intraday strategies, swing strategies, and also my last month profit also in a video with analysis, and actually how I traded that also, because there also I traded a triangle pattern. So just kindly go through that videos so that like you will get more idea about it. And now we'll going to share about trading pattern. So before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please kindly do subscribe. If you have any questions or you are making any profit out of our strategies, right, please come back to our video and comment below so that like I will get to know. Now again, see, let's see, we'll discuss about our triangle pattern for a breakout. Okay, let's discuss about it. All right, guys. So now we are going to discuss about the triangle pattern for breakout opportunities. Okay, but before that, we need to understand what is the psychology behind triangle pattern and what is the psychology behind support and resistance zones. Okay, so why I prefer triangle pattern over the support and resistance zone. Okay, so I will just go through the psychology behind support and resistance zone, and then we'll see about the triangle pattern. Okay, see how support and resistance zone works. Basically, see, that is, suppose that is resistance zone and this is support zone. Okay, now what usually happens, stock, how stock moves, it will come like this, like this, like this. Now it will come here and it will go up. Suppose it is taking coming down from here, so next time it will come down, right? Buyer will be aggressive at this support level and they will buy the stock. Once they will buy the stock, they will hold the stock, they will take stock up till this resistance level and they will sell again there. Once they are selling, stock will go down, 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 and then at the support level again they will buy. Okay, so it will, stock will go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, and it will now breakout happen, basically. Okay, so once breakout happen, what people do, people will buy here above that resistance level, buy here, stop loss area below that resistance level, and they will capture the move from there. Okay, so that is the psychology behind support and resistance zone, basically. So it will come to that same price again, and that time they will buy or sell, and they will enjoy the move. Otherwise, what will they do, they will wait for the breakout to happen from resistance level, and then they will go into that trade and they will buy that trade, basically, right? Now we'll discuss about our triangle pattern psychology. And before that, okay, so in triangle pattern we have three types. One is symmetric triangle pattern, one is ascending triangle pattern, and third one is descending triangle pattern. But forget about it, what are the types, right? Forget about it, but just try to learn psychology behind triangle pattern. How triangle pattern giving more money than support and resistance zone. Support and resistance zone also giving money, okay, that's also working fine, not like that. That's also very good to trade. Okay, but why I prefer triangle pattern? Because it will give more accurate entry and more move. Anyways, we'll discuss it on a chart going forward, but we'll discuss about psychology first. So now usually in triangle pattern what happens, right? Stock will come, okay, stock will come like this. Okay, coming, 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 it will go up, go up, go up, go up, it will come down again. Okay, it will go up, go up, go up, it will come down again like this, and it will go up and it will come down. Basically it will happen like this. Okay, so sorry for this bad drawing but this is what actually happens, right? So what we used to do, we will connect like this all the edges, right, like this. Okay, so now this is called as a triangle pattern, right? So what is the psychology behind it? Basically, see what happens. Seller came into picture here, they came down, they took the stock till here, they are not waiting for this level, uh, this level to come. Basically, see what happens in support and resistance, right? Suppose this is the resistance zone, right, and this is the resistance zone, basically, and this is the support zone. Okay, so basically in support and resistance zone what happens, stock will come down till here. But now what happened, buyers are aggressive before that only, so they don't want to take here, they are aggressive from here only, and it is going up, going up, going up, going up. But sellers are not waiting for this level, sellers are aggressive here itself. Okay, so now what happens, now it is falling, falling, falling. Now buyers again not waiting for this level, buyers are aggressive before that only. So what happens, buyer came into picture. Now again going up, going up, but now seller also not waiting for this level, not this level, sellers aggressive before that only, so stock came down. Now buyers again aggressive at this level. So what happens in this situation, right, there is a fight going on between seller and buyer. So one needs to win, right, only one will win anyways, so another will give up. So once another will give up, like suppose in this case what will happen, suppose a breakout is going to happen, because either it will go up like this or it will go down here, right. So suppose in this case it happens breakout from upper trend line. So what happens, it go up, go up, go up like hill, crazily, because what happens now in trading triangle patterns, it moves like very huge move, just because there are stop loss, so many stop loss are here, here, here. So in triangle pattern, right, when this breakout happens, it try to get that all the stop loss, it hits all the stop loss. So that's the reason it will give huge move compared to support and resistance, because in support and resistance, right, there are not that much move, but in triangle pattern there is huge move. So that is the main reason why I trade triangle patterns. Okay, so anyways, see, one needs to win, right? If once one is giving up, then other needs to win. So when is other is winning, so that time move is very huge. Okay, so that's the reason in triangle pattern we able to capture huge move. Okay, so now we'll see the examples on patterns, so that like you will get to know practically how it works. Okay, so we'll go to, anyways, this is Ashok Leyland. Here only one example I already draw the pattern. Okay, so because now why I am drawing already patterns, right, you might think like, okay, he already preparing, but if we are drawing patterns while searching into stocks, right, that taking time, and it is becoming a lengthy video actually, so sorry for that, but forgive me for that. Okay, now we'll see. Okay, so this is a triangle pattern, right, it's getting respected 1 2 3 times, and from down also 1 2 3 times. Try to make more touches. Okay, so if more touches, like no, doesn't matter, it's a wick or candle, but try to make more touches, so that like what will happen now, if you have more touch to the candle, then it will be a more accurate trade or entry. Okay, so that's the reason I'm saying just try to make the more touch, like so that like it will work properly. See in this case, now what happens, here breakout happened, right, see, once breakout happens it gives huge move. See what a move this, see guys. So that's what I am saying, if once a triangle pattern breakout happened, right, it will give move, huge move. See what happened in this case, right, we captured from here, breakout happened, once breakout happened, suppose this much also move we captured, so this is 21% in 10 days basically. So suppose if you do support and resistance, right, that time usually we enter at this level, suppose, okay, this is the resistance level, and this is the down level, suppose this is the support level, support zone basically. Okay, now usually what happens, we enter at this breakout, right, in a support level, support resistance level basically. Once resistance breakout happen, suppose we are entering here, we are capturing 11% more, 10% more. Okay, but when triangle pattern breakout happen, right, from here, then we are capturing almost 21%, so 11% more basically. So that's the reason I am saying, when we are trading on triangle breakout or triangle breakdown, right, that is giving more profit as compared to the support and resistance. But anyways, see, support and resistance also good, but the thing is why I am choosing for the triangle pattern, so this is the reason behind it. Okay, so now we'll see next stock, which is Bata India, and then we'll okay, see, this is the, and this is recently breakout happened from here. Okay, so see here again, one touch, two touch, and 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch, and 6 touch. Here 1 2 3, fairly enough. So here what happened, see, stock coming down, now after coming here, buyer came into picture, it went here. So now here sellers are not waiting for this level, they are aggressive from here only. When it came down, buyers are not waiting for this level, they are aggressive here only. So like that way stock went here and came back again. See here, buyer are aggressive. So what happens now, when it became narrow, right, narrow, a narrow triangle, so that time at least means like one should win and one should lose basically. So see here, buyer won this race basically, fight between seller and buyer, right, buyer won this race. So buyer see once breakout happened, right, see this is the move in one day, basically 2 days, 2 days move is 8%, almost 9% move in 2 days only. See that the reason I am saying, because now it will try to eat those stop losses which is here. So that's the reason. See, if you try to go for support and resistance, right, see here, then it's today like we made entry basically. So that's the reason I am saying, if you try to like trade triangle patterns, right, that is very specific and giving more money as compared to support and resistance zone. So that's the reason I am saying like we can capture huge move in this triangle pattern. Okay, so how the entry is, our entry is again above trend line, basically I will show you. So above trend line entry, below trend line our stop loss. So either way, right, okay, as per your risk appetite, just try stop loss and target. So but first calculate your risk, what is the risk you want to take per trade, and like accordingly take a quantity of stocks and try to trade it. Okay, so here see 1:4 risk reward ratio we got in this triangle breakout. So let's see, we'll discuss about next stock, Madhusumi. So here, right, now here again see same triangle pattern, right, upper trend line respected 1 2 and here 3 times actually, and 4 time is coming 1 2 3 and 4. See now again same thing, right, buyers are okay, stock going up, seller came into picture, then stock came down but again it went up, seller came into picture. So sellers are not waiting for this level, before only they became aggressive, now came down, again buyers became aggressive before that stock only, like that way it went up, it went down. So now when it breakout happened from this trade, see how much is the move, and once a trade triangle breakout happens, right, it gives very huge move. See here guys, 18% move in span of 13 days, that is huge move. So that's what I am saying, if you follow this only na, see I already said in my previous video also, just what you have to do now, just whatever watch list I am going to share to you, just come to trading view, just import that watch list here, go through the one by one each stock, try to like draw a triangle pattern, and try to see like where breakout going to happen, and once that breakout happen, right, then go for that trade. Okay, now see stop loss also minimum, and target is huge, means like risk reward ratio is big as compared to like support and resistance, because in support zone and resistance zone, right, there we need to keep huge stop loss as compared to this stop loss. Okay, so now I will see next stock, Mahindra and Mahindra. So see here again same thing, it triangle pattern. Okay, down trend line 1 2 3 times, upper trend line 1 2 3 times, it gave breakout here. So once it gave breakout, then see how much more gave here. See we got 14% in a span of 9 days. See guys, so that's what I am saying, if you try to understand the psychology, right, behind the triangle pattern, and that is what I already discussed, right, initially. So if you are like planning to go for like a support zone and that zone, right, that's also good, but see basically you will trade after this resistance zone breakout, right? So basically breakout happened here with huge candlestick. So what happened, we missed this move, this much move, this move, almost 5.5%. So that's what, if you want to capture huge move with less risk, then we need to go for triangle pattern. Okay, so next stock we'll see Oak Pharma. See guys, see here, see what kind of movie it is. That's what I am saying guys, if you get good hands on a triangle pattern and how to draw it, see initially it is difficult to draw patterns. Okay, when you draw a pattern regularly going through the chart, and you draw patterns regularly, right, then you will become proficient. Once you become proficient, right, then no one will stop you earning money from the stock market. So see here guys, respected 1 2 3 times, More touch, that's good. If you have more touch, that is really good, and that is a reliable trade. Okay, see guy, here upper trend line 3 times, here down trend line 5 times, and once it breakout happened, see guys, breakout happen here in one day only, in one day, 20% move. Are you getting guys? 20% move in one day. So if you invest 1 lakh also in one day, you are getting 20,000. Isn't it amazing, guys? So that's what I am trading triangle patterns and channel patterns also, but we'll discuss about it later. So see, guys, this is India Cement. Again, see, upper trend line respected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Below 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So what does this mean? Again, it seller came into picture, seller come into picture. Here buyer came into picture, but buyer are not waiting for this level. Buyer came into picture here only aggressively, and seller also became aggressive here only, not waiting that level. Again buyer came into picture. Again seller became aggressive. Again buyer became aggressive. Again seller came. Again buyer came into picture. So what happened now? At least one needs to win. So what? Who won here? Buyer won. So once it breakout happened, right? See, this is the move. So this move is like 20% again, guys. See, in span of 6 days. So that's what. Because why is giving this huge moves, right? Because it try to eat all the stop losses here, here, here until here, right? All the stop losses are there. So it try to eat that stop losses. So we'll see next talk. See guys, here also again same thing. Okay, we need to draw the triangle pattern, upper trend line, down trend line, and we need to see where it's getting respected, how it's respected, how many touch we are following, and how it's working. Okay, so basically we need to understand the psychology. That's what I'm saying again and again. So if you understand the psychology behind selling and buying, then you are very easily trade this triangle pattern. Okay, so see here also once breakout happen, how much is the move? See guys, here again 14%, 15%, but see 10% also fair enough, more than enough actually. It's too much. So we'll see last talk. So here again, see, this is a big channel triangle pattern. This is getting respected upper trend line 1, 2, 3 times, and 4 time it breakout happen. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So more touches, more reliable trade. Okay, so try to like remember that also, because initial days I used to write it down. Try to make more touch. Try to make more touches. Try to make more touch, like that. I need to. I started memorizing it. Like okay, just I want more touch. I want more touch. That's what, because that will give huge move. Okay, see guys, once breakout happened, right? So see, once here breakout happen from here, how much is the move? 16% in a span of maybe 9 days. Okay, see in 9 days 16, and our risk is very less. So if you see risk reward ratio, right, I will show that one also. If once it breakout happen, we entered, and the risk reward ratio is, see, before below candlestick also fine, and here risk reward ratio is 1:6, guys. That is amazing in swing trading. That risk reward ratio means amazing. That's really amazing. So this is all about psychology of triangle pattern for long opportunities. Means what? Long opportunities we need to buy first and sell later. And in next video we'll discuss about triangle pattern for short opportunities. Hope you feel this video is interesting, because this is one of the most important method of our price action, which I am following and which is really giving a good amount of profit to me. So one humble request, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please kindly do subscribe and like this video, and also please kindly do share with your friends who are like interested in trading. And also we are going to discuss about triangle pattern for breakdown things in next video. So till then, please kindly do take care of yourself.